Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the JobHunt app is and how it's positioned. JobHunt is a mobile job search application designed to help users discover job opportunities and manage the application process using AI-assisted tools. According to the official App Store description, the platform allows users to search for job openings, track applications, and organize job listings directly from a smartphone. The same official description also indicates that the app includes an AI-based assistant intended to help users analyze job descriptions and provide guidance during the job search process. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Information provided in the app listing explains that users can store job listings, track the status of applications, and manage their job search workflow through a centralized interface. The platform may also allow users to generate or improve resumes using AI tools designed to help match job requirements with candidate information. According to the official description, the app may also provide features for preparing interview questions or reviewing job requirements before applying. The developer describes the platform as a tool designed to simplify the job search process by combining job tracking and AI-assisted career support. For users interested in organizing job applications and exploring AI-supported job search tools, this type of app could be one possible option. This app may be useful for people who want to manage job listings, track applications, and receive AI-generated guidance while searching for employment. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.